Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is mostly just going to be about how you can solve problems like this in a more efficient way. That means like faster and with less steps, because I've seen people try to solve problems like this with lots of steps and they just end up making a mistake usually. So instead of having like lots of little steps down the side of your page, try some of these tips that I'm about to show you today. First of all, we told you the other day to try and use multiples to try to solve problems like this. Now I started over here, then 73 times 10 is 730. 73 times 20 is 1,460. 73 times, oops, times 30. See, I'm already taking too long. I'm already stuck on 73 times 30, and I haven't even started dividing yet. So if you are realizing that this is taking too long, making a list of all the multiples, um, try to think of a better way. Maybe you don't need to list out all these multiples to start these problems. Like 72 times 30 is 2,190. Look, I'm not even close. I'm at 2,190. I'm trying to get all the way up to 3,794. I don't want to take away small groups because that's going to make my work take longer. So instead of doing multiples, I'm going to show you a tip that you might help you solve problems like this a little bit faster, because those multiples just take a long time, right? So instead of using multiples to try to solve the problem and listing them all out on the side of the page, just try using your estimate. You spent all that time estimating on the last slide, right? So now let's use that work to make this more efficient. I think the answer is going to be close to 50. So why don't I just start by taking away 50 groups of 73? Now, you might need to do a little bit of work to figure out what that is. 73 times 5. I'll just do it down here on the corner. But you know what? At least this way, we're just doing 1. Like, we're not listing out all the multiples of 73 and taking forever to find them out, right? We're only solving 1 here, which will take us a lot less time. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 10 up here. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 10 more is 36. So 73 times 5 is 365. But remember, my estimate was 50, and I want to use that to take away big groups. So instead of taking away a group of 5, I'm going to take away a group of 50. And 365 times 10, because we're doing 50, is 3,650. And look at this huge group that I'm taking away right off the bat in my first step. I already can tell that I'm not going to have very many steps here, which means I'm probably going to get it right because I'm doing this in a very efficient way. Next, I need to subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. And I only have 144 left. Look at that. So I think we can do this in one more step. I don't even think we need 3 steps here. If I want to figure out how much more I can take away, how many more groups I can take away, another strategy that's kind of helpful for me is doubling, right? Doubling is easy. We practice that a lot in 4th grade, at least Morehouse did. I don't know about your other classes, but doubling is pretty easy for me, and I think most kids in Morehouse. So if I know 73 times 1 is 73, just double it. Let's double 73. 146. See how good I am at doubling? 146, but oh, look. I just noticed a problem. 146 is more than 144. We can't do 73 times 2. That's too much. We got to just do one more group. 73 times 1 is 73. Do some subtraction. Here we get 1. 4 minus 7 is 7, and we have 73 left. So to find our answer, we just have to add these two up. 51. And then add on my remainder, which is 71. So the answer is 51 R 71.